When customers come into the shop asking about EV tires, the questions usually sound pretty familiar.
Hi.
How are you today? What can I do for you?
Do I really need an EV-specific tire?
Customers need to know that electric vehicles can weigh up to 30% more than gas-powered trucks. That extra weight puts a lot of stress on tires. Stress that traditional light truck tires are not built to handle. Add in instant torque, the need for range, and the silence of an electric drivetrain, and it's clear that EVs need a specialized tire. That's why Hankook developed the iON HT, the first highway terrain tire built exclusively for EV pickup trucks. It's part of Hankook's iON family and engineered from the ground up to handle the weight, torque, and efficiency demands of electric trucks.
So what about this tire makes it able to handle all that weight?
EV tires require reinforced construction and advanced materials. That's why I'd recommend this tire, Hankook's iON HT. It was purpose-built to meet the needs of EV trucks. It comes with an XL load rating, giving the tire the strength and rigidity to support heavy EV platforms and truck-level cargo. The tire also features ion-clad construction and aggressive blocks designed to protect against external impacts. For the customer, that means confidence when hauling, towing, or just managing the everyday demands of the EV pickup truck. If you get a tire that isn't built to carry that kind of weight, you'll see faster wear, more heat buildup, and an EV pickup truck that just doesn't feel stable when you're hauling or towing.
What about the instant torque? Doesn't that wear my tires down faster?
Hankook designed the iON HT with something called round even technology and pro-durable compound. That spreads road pressure more evenly and resists the accelerated wear drivers of EVs commonly see. For customers, that means consistent grip and longer tire life, even under the demands of electric torque.
So you're saying EV tires can actually affect how long I can go on a single charge?
Oh, absolutely. Rolling resistance directly impacts EV range. That's why the iON HT uses roll life compound to minimize internal friction inside the tire. OptiCure technology also plays a role by optimizing the curing process, lowering rolling resistance, and improving overall efficiency. Internal testing showed that the iON HT delivered more than a 10% improvement in energy efficiency compared to competitor tires.
If it's built for range and durability, does it still perform in bad weather?
Oh yes, the iON HT was designed for all-season confidence. The flared shoulder grooves and optimized main groove design are what clear water, while the 3D embossed sipes are newly applied on the iON HT to improve traction in both wet and dry conditions, enhancing braking performance. And for peace of mind, Hankook backs the iON HT with the Sure Tire plan for iON products. That includes a 100-day free trial, an 80,000-mile tread wear warranty, and road hazard coverage. That 100 isn't just a number. It's a statement of confidence that this tire is built to last.
Sounds great. I'll take the iON HT.
EVs demand more from their tires: more strength, more durability, more energy efficiency, and more control. That's exactly what Hankook delivers with the iON HT. It proves that EV-specific tires aren't just an option, they're a necessity. I'm Doug Kaufman. Thanks for watching.